The reason why the swivel desk drawer is not currently attached is, well, since I used the Ikea Linman desktop, it's made of this particle board, and it's just really, not that sturdy. So my drawer actually fell off. So I'm actually going to reinstall it and fix it, which I will show you the process I take. Essentially, I found these little wall mount thingamajigs. I'm going to try to jam these in here with like a hammer or something. I think I might have to drill these holes out a little bit more so these can actually fit in there. And then I'm going to rescrew it, and hopefully that'll give it the strength it needs to hold in there. And I'm just not going to put anything heavy in it or put my mouse on it or anything like that. So I'm going to try to keep the weight off of it. So upon further investigation, I've discovered that the inside of this Linman desk is actually hollow. So I've only got a little bit of lip here, I guess, to grab onto. So I switched the type of I don't know what to call this thing, drywall mount screw hole thingamajig to put in here, which I think it has some grips right at the end, which is basically all I'm going to be dealing with here. So yeah, I'm going to hammer these in, and hopefully this works. Okay, I got the screw mounts hammered in there, and I'm going to try to screw it in. Okay, looks like they're all in there. Now I just gotta tighten them all down. I like to try to do it evenly. Okay, that feels good and tight. Securely mounted. Now I just need to screw on the bottom. Okay, that seems to have done it. Oh, I can't swivel all the way around. Okay, yeah, that's fine. So I don't know if you can notice, but in the back here, it's hitting the motor, so I can't do a full 360 spin. But, it's good enough for me. So here you can see it fully assembled. So like I was saying, it kind of hits the motor in the back over there, but it doesn't bother me. And then you got this thing. Whoops. Here, so you can open the shelf in there. Looks like it bears weight now that I have better mounts in there. The screws aren't just stripping out the holes. But I'm still going to take it easy, just put small light things in here. So that's it. Have fun with this thing.